Hey everybody, Dr. Elo here from Red Mill Chiropractic. For the next couple of weeks, Dr. Marsh and myself are going to be giving out a couple more health tips, really based more on nutritional advice and things you can practice right from home, okay? So today we're going to talk about ginger, which is a fantastic anti-inflammatory. So whether you have osteoarthritis or any of the other hereditary arthritides, such as rheumatoid, it can really help take away some of those aches and pains in the joints. It really helped reduce that inflammation, okay? Next, ginger is a fantastic supplement for decreasing our fasting blood sugars as well as decreasing our cholesterol, which there's a lot of us out there with that are pre-diabetic or even have really high cholesterol currently. So it's a good supplement to get ahead of those things and take care of them before they get bad enough. All right, a couple other things. Ginger is good for helping with digestive issues and also increases brain function. So with that said, if you have any more questions, just give us a call here at the office. We'd be happy to answer anything we can. And other than that, be safe and we'll talk to you soon.